To change keyboard theme on Realme 14 Pro Plus, first you will have to go into the settings. From here, scroll all the way down and go for System and Update. Next, go for the Keyboard and Input method and Manage Keyboards. Next, select your current keyboard, and here we have Theme. And there we can find a couple of different themes available, some colors, landscapes, light gradients, dark gradients. These three types of the themes, you have actually to download them, but here with these themes with the colors, you can actually just set them up like this. Select any theme that you like. Here you can additionally turn on or off the key borders, as you can see, and from here simply press apply button, and as you can see, here's our theme. It is now selected, and let me just show you. As you can see, that's how to do this.